Where's a nice big man? That's not there. Let him go. You're tired? Come on. We got man. All right? Defense. 1, 2, 3. Defense. They got bad boy thing, eh? You recording it?
Yeah.
Drop that for the next thing.
You're just hitting the gym, you just getting big, but you're not running. It's like that, man. You're getting big, but you're not running.
That's why I can't hear.
Yeah, because you know that you're gonna just gas.
This is my cardio.
It's your cardio, eh?
One length up and down.
Hey, I seen it, man. What's going on here?
I needed one, fam.
Jeez. I gotta have one.
Come on, Sai. Thank you for my water. And triple overtime.
Came on.
Who just came up?
I don't know. You know?
Yo, Joey. Yeah, for who? Joey, there's like 6 guys on the court.
Just go get another one. I don't want to argue with the ref when he ejects the first move. I don't even know what happened.
Yeah, that's all you.
No. This one you are though. Yeah.
Hey, you went for 50 seconds. Yeah! Good job! Good job, Kobe! Good job, Kobe! Last week you drew the layup, bro.
I didn't look for it. I got it. It's
Oh
all-
yeah, Kobe. Throw him some straight. Got it. Jamal. Oh yeah.
I'm picking up Darian though. Darian's not even guarding.
But yo, look at me on one-on-one. Yeah. For a fact. If I can do it, Nate Nathaniel, I'm definitely gonna do it. Yeah. No. Don't be extra. Don't be extra. Hey! What?
Sometimes I don't get the foul, but you're a ref.
Got it!
I was looking at the free throw right in the first half.
Come on, man, you gotta play defense. Funny.
Yes, real quiet. We hit the
He shouldn't have 16. Oh, what? He shouldn't have 16. Yeah, I won.
That pull back was
Right. Yeah. plus la minute, non?
Yo, side! What right back?
Hey, you okay, son? Walk it off.
I don't even look athletic like that. Like, yeah, no, this guy try to shack it like he's pulling down a word.
Good hit.
Kind of nonsense these days. No, they should have 16 points. They have 16 points. That's horrible, yo. This is easy layups that we're doing behind our back. No, I fucking ball, yo.
Good block.
Let's go, bad boy. Yo, good, no foul. Go straight up.
Maybe I'm proud to give you that.
That's bad boy, money. Let's go, money. Forward. Box! Bro, we're hitting on offense and you guys are walking back on defense. Patient. Keep patient. Keep fucking patient. Bro, he's doing defense. Yo, this is what happened last game too, yo. We're up like 40. But then these white guys do fucking layups behind our back. Yo, that other game, you weren't even there. The other big man was hitting threes too. Like, yo, just put a hand. You can take rush shots like that. Fuck. Our ball. Hey, Joey, no more threes now. No more threes. Keep moving. Woo. What is it, a zone? Read it. That's a hit. Get some stops. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Watch that, watch this. Come on. No threes, no threes. Keep those hands moving, man. There you go, good D. You crushed it all or not? Right? That's a dunk in my book. Go, go, go! That was tough. How you gonna call that when this one's That's the cause, man. This is cheesing me. They shouldn't have to go. We should be beating them by 15 at least. It's too still. Coming up, yo, I'm actually cheesing. Coming up, I think it's a foul. Off the curb was Hey, good shot, Joe. I'm not smoking. Oh, yeah. Hey, good shot, Joe. Good shot, Joe. That's what I'm not getting the fucking ball. Yes. You can't leave him. Gary has 3. How about we do this? I think I started talking. We started talking. All of a sudden, he's like, we're here for Stop the double.
Oh, nice pass. Yo, Grace. That's how you're feeling out here. You on the roll. Oh, right there. Oh, shit.
Bryce is leveling up. I don't care. He's leveling up, sure. He's leveling up. Go see that, Kobe. Good work, Bryce.
Not going this way.
Yeah, what are you doing over there? Oh, we should have said we're gonna come. Can you busting off his glasses? We're trying to get you going, bro. So how much time is left? Thank you, some guys.
Block party! Let's go, Bob! No, let's go! Get down the court! You act like you smoked that grab off, Bob. Let's go!
Close out. Go back in.
Yeah, we're still.
That's a pistol.
Tapping like that.
That's not what you're doing. You want the rebound.
Guys, go you guys have to now.
Yo, we just got to talk on defense.
Who's up? Who's the He's that guy set up.
The main key is to be at the formation.
Hey, watch shooter in the corner. You got two corners.
All my people have to
It doesn't matter. Everybody needs to put a body on. Every single person needs to put a body on. Yo, D, let's go. Get back to you. Let's go, bad boy. Let's go. Good D.
You're in for a long ride.
We go for you get a double.
Yo, down for each other.
Yo, next is
Green. But I want to do second half. Orlando offense. Kick it inside and then kick it up. And you know what? Even if I kick it out, I just wanted to make sure there's no rebound.
Put a body.
Guys, everybody hurry up. We don't got time.
Darian, Jamal, get in here.
Hey, they're not playing defense. That's what. This is what I want to do. We need to try something.
Because you said that you're
You guys, let's get a shot. I want to take shots.
Hold on. Let's go.
Guys, on offense, I want to try this out. I'll go, let me go down line to guard Justin. The only time I'm coming off is if I need a break. I'm just going to play. But on offense, jump into me, I'm looking for a cutter because someone is crashing. If you get the 3-point line and you open drive kick, we need ball movement. Every time I try to get the ball, we're doing it. So we're getting killed in transition. You guys want to try his zone? You guys want to try his zone? Yeah, I'll try it. 3-2.
You guys don't go 1-3-1, huh?
You guys don't want a 1-3-1. 2-3. You guys do not want a 1-3-1.
You have to be 100% dedicated.
There's a lot. You have to be dedicated to 1-3-1. The bottom guy has to be dedicated.
The bottom guy.
Yeah,